Hi, today we are gonna see about some common words with less common meanings. First one. Cleave. While it can mean to split or separate, it can also mean to adhere firmly to something or to stick to closely. Next. Fast. Beyond its meaning of speed, it can also mean to abstain from food, as in fasting. Next. Dust. In addition to the particles of dirt, it can refer to the process of removing dust, as in to dust the furniture. Next. Clip. Apart from its usual meaning of cutting or snipping, it can also mean to strike or hit with a glancing blow. Next. Tremendous. Though often used to denote something great in size or intensity, it technically means something that causes trembling or fear. Next. Nice. Often used to describe something pleasant or agreeable, it originally meant foolish or simple. Next. Terrific. Commonly used to mean fantastic or excellent, it actually derives from terrify and originally meant causing terror or fear. Next. Oversight. While it can mean supervising or managing, it also refers to the failure to notice or observe something. Next. Sanction. It can mean both a penalty for disobeying a rule and official permission or approval. Okay. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.